In freeform forging, it is important to keep in mind which way the metal is moving. You aren't just flailing away at the metal hoping that it moves. Instead, you are pushing the metal with every hit, and you don't just have to draw down the bar with these hits. Don't overlook that as you forge with crown dies, aggressive fullers like these, and even with the forging dies, you can push metal on a bar to the sides with ease by simply starting in the center and favoring one side, and then walking the dies to the other. You can maneuver around other elements in the bar and pull material in different directions with ease. If you let go of the convention you have of forging, then you can begin to paint with the metal and find new and unexpected shapes. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to keep up with what is new with Blue.